Today, in this video, we're going to be building catapults out of everyday craft materials. For this project, you will need 7 popsicle sticks, 5 rubber bands, 1 spoon, and 1 pom-pom ball. Begin with 5 popsicle sticks, 2 rubber bands, line the popsicle sticks up vertically, and begin by wrapping rubber bands around the ends of each side of the popsicle stick. It should look something like this. Then repeat to the other side. At the end, it should look something like this. Go ahead and set it off to the side for now. Go ahead and grab the other 2 popsicle sticks, the spoon, and the 3 rubber bands. Place 1 popsicle stick on either side of the 5 other popsicle sticks that you've connected. It should look like a popsicle stick sandwich. Go ahead and place the spoon on the top. It doesn't matter which side you put it on. Grab a rubber band and begin wrapping around the spoon and the popsicle sticks. Continue wrapping until you can barely fit the rubber band over the spoon. Go ahead and center the rubber band and twist the spoon and the opposite popsicle stick to the side. Our goal is to create an X looking shape. Grab another rubber band and begin the same process on the opposite side. Make sure to crisscross each rubber band over the opposite. Now you have the base for your catapult. If it's off-centered, go ahead and scoot it over to the side. There we go, nice and centered. Well, let's give our little catapult a test. What? It's not working! How could this be? Oh, we're missing one more piece. We need to add a rubber band to the end of the catapult. This will create tension, and the popsicle stick will act as a spring, which will throw the pom-pom up into the air. There we go. That seems like it'll do the trick. Alright, let's set it down and give it one last try. There we go. That's it, everyone. But that's not all. You can make little catapults out of almost any object. Here, I'm using big popsicle sticks, a cafeteria spork, and some colorful rubber bands to create an awesome, larger scale catapult. At the end of the day, it's always important to be safe and to have fun. Remember to use soft objects when using your catapult. Have fun creating.